In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect BingX to TradingView. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump right in. Connecting BingX to TradingView can seem daunting at first, but I'm here to guide you every step of the way. First, the first thing you want to do is head over to TradingView. To do this, simply open your web browser and search for TradingView. You can just type TradingView into Google, and it should come right up. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, you'll want to click on Charts. This will lead you to the main charting interface where all the magic happens. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the chart layout. Now we need to find the trading panel. Look towards the bottom of the screen where you'll see an option that allows you to expand the trading panel. This is where you'll manage all your connected brokers and trading setups. Now there's an arrow you'll need to click on to expand that panel fully. It should be clearly marked, so just give that a click and all the options will display, making our next steps easier. Next, you'll see a button that says Connect Another Broker. Click on that. This option allows you to link your TradingView account with different brokers, and BingX is one of the options we're looking for today. Once you click that option, you'll want to type BingX into the search bar that appears. This is going to help you find the broker quickly without having to scroll through a list. After you search for BingX, it should pop up in the results. Now it's time to select it. Go ahead and click on BingX. This will take you one step closer to setting everything up perfectly. Finally, you'll see a Connect button. Click on that, and you are almost finished. This button will establish the connection between your TradingView and BingX accounts. And that's it. You've successfully connected BingX to TradingView. You should now be able to trade and analyze the markets with the combined power of these platforms. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this, and give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading!